Sisemi Lapho, still where we were. True soul, kgutlele side. I wore a smile that wasn't mine.
I chased the lights, forgot the fire. I wanted applause more than purpose. I wore a smile that wasn't mine. I hid my fears behind the shine. The mirror knows what the crowd can't see. The loudest lie was told to me. I should have trusted the gift God gave instead of chasing what couldn't save.
Forgive me, I forgot who I was. Forgive me, I forgot where I came from.
I searched for shortcuts instead of growth. Now I'm standing here with nothing but the truth. Modimo. Ntataise. Pelo, yaka, kgutlele, lefatsheng la nnete.
Let my heart return to truth.
No.
With me, let my heart return to truth.
There was a time I stopped believing my own voice could be enough. I reached for tools to hide my weakness instead of learning, instead of growing. Now I know a borrowed sound can never replace an honest heart. Inyani so yakulula,
The truth sets us free.
for I bring private.
Forgive me,
There are so geleseni,
nayo iboa forgisa.
Ntataise unyika vutoni,
Uboya forza milu.
litiniso liyakulula.
Kiniso lileta kutula.
I cannot rewrite yesterday, but I can change tomorrow. If I ever sing again, let every note